This isn't my typical type of post, but when I tried to find a video about a pool wall collapse for an in-ground pool, there was nothing on YouTube, so I'm just going to share my story here because it may help someone else. This year has been a very challenging pool year for us. Because we live in Maine, the pool gets closed every September and covered for the winter, and in May, the pool company opens the pool by removing the cover. However, this May, my dad's 19-year-old pool had a few surprises in store for us. First, when the pool cover was removed, there was a 3-foot tear in the liner. The pool company said they could fix it next year because they were already booked all summer with new pool installations. However, my dad found someone who does just pool repair liners and installations, so it looked like we might have the pool up and running by the end of June. The pool was measured and the liner was ordered. Today, the standing water and the old liner were being removed so that the new liner could be installed tomorrow and water would be brought in on Thursday. However, when the water was removed from the pool wall collapsed into the pool because there was no longer any pressure from the water pushing against it. It left a cave about 6 feet by 6 feet by 4 feet, and sand mixed with water poured into the deep end of the pool. Now, we live in an area with a very high water table, so it was understandable that there was a lot of pressure from water pushing into the pool walls that no longer had equal pressure pushing it out from the water in the pool. Thankfully, though, we've had a very little rain this past month, or this could have been much worse. Now, speaking of worse, the pool liner guys start tapping on the pool walls around the deep end and discovered that just opposite this wall is a very hollow sounding wall. So after they repair the first wall, they'll have to knock a hole into the opposite wall and see how much sand needs to be put into it before sealing it up again and then replacing the liner. There's also a crack along the slanted wall going into the deep end that is leaking slightly toward the bottom. So that will need to be replaced not replaced, but that will need to be patched as well with the vermiculite. I believe he said this was the worst pool repair he's ever seen. We're all a little shocked at the damage, but trying to be optimistic. Maine has the longest coastline of any state because we have so many inlets, so we're lucky to have a town-owned park on a pond and a river within a few miles of our house that we can take advantage of this summer. And hopefully this will get repaired soon, and as this repair continues, I will follow up with another video to show you what happens.